Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this, little bit late video on Singularitynet and the Agix token. I still wanted to cover it because it's still very interesting, both fundamentally and technically as well. We're trying to still break out and get to that level between 50 and 55 cents. So I just still wanted to cover it. I still think it's very, very relevant. So let's get right into it. This weekend, Agix has been massively bullish. It's time in and time out. It has been the most bullish AI crypto out there. Last 3 months went from 5 cents to 42 cents. Kind of moving along with Fetch AI, but also in price and in market cap, I believe so too. But yeah, it has been massively bullish. Volume is still very high. It's still going, it's not going up, but it's still keeping its levels. And then if you take a look at where the volume is coming from, most is coming from credible sources as well, because this is really a move caused by the whole AI and big data narrative. There's been this AI and big data narrative for the last 3 months, basically ever since ChatGPT. And that has ruled the crypto markets. I mean, people have actually gotten rich in these bear markets by investing in these AI cryptos, and it's still going on. And I don't think it will stop soon. Sure, it could cool down a little bit, but I don't think it will stop. And then what happened the 3rd of February when we started that bullish momentum again, which actually I still remember analyzing it right here when we were breaking 20 cents. And I did say that we were going to get a bullish breakout here. My price target just was around 23 cents and not 42. But then we got news from Google investing 300 million, basically continuing that whole competition about AI. And it also shows that there's an increasing investment, really. So there's real money coming into these AI tokens and AI startups, mostly in the startups, but that will also contribute to money for AI cryptos, like we have seen. So that's what's been going on. And that's causing us to have some massive breakouts. Broke above 30 cents, broke above 35 cents. Right now we're challenging, essentially 46 and 44, but let's say 45 cents. And that's the main thing we're doing. And it's the big question whether we can actually do that or not. So you can see right now, Agix, comparing all the AI cryptos with each other, Agix is still one of the most bullish ones, because we dropped down from 45 cents to the 236 FIB right here, also around 40 cents. So we have a very strong support level actually just under our resistance level, which could provide us with a potential bullish breakout. The thing though is that we're going to go up to 45 cents, right? We're getting up to that level right now. But what we need to do is first of all stay on top of 40 cents, because I do think we'll initially find some more resistance there and drop down to 40 cents. We need to hold that, and I think we need to break above 45 cents. If there's no new news about investments in AI, I think we need to do this in the next 24 hours. Something like this. So break above 45 cents and then get up to our next price target between 52 and 55 cents. We need to do that soon, because right now there's still momentum and there's still that hype around the new investment. And if no new news, if there's nothing to add on to that hype, you're going to lose the momentum. And once that major support level around 40 cents breaks, we'll just drop down. We'll drop down to this level here around 35 cents. We'll hold that. And if there's no news from there, we'll also drop down to this level around 32 and 31 cents. So it's really about that news, all right? It's very fundamental news driven right now. And I would say it's at least likely that we will first drop down below 40 cents before we will have that news again. So I think it's more likely that we'll drop down a little bit towards this 35 cents level, or around that level between 34 and 36. Consolidate there, and then it's waiting. It's waiting for new news or bullish momentum from the markets. If that doesn't come while we are supported by 35 cents, we'll also drop down to that level around 30 cents again. That's really possible, especially since we're at inflated levels like these. But it's waiting for that news, and that could come this week. It could come in 2 weeks, and depending on that kind of determines how far we will drop down. But I think initially that 35 cents level will actually hold us for quite some time. So I don't expect us to actually drop down to 30 cents quite soon. But I'll keep you updated on that. Let me know if you're interested in it as well. But for now, this is what I think the most likely scenario is. As I said, it's still very well possible to break above 45 cents, but we need to do that soon. Otherwise, we'll just drop down. All right, so that's my take on Agix for now. If you have any questions, if you want to discuss anything, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.